Mike from Klein has a question about heat pumps.
Well, it's a topic that pops up now and then on the show.
Okay.
Mike writes, we're being told by that our AC unit has to be replaced, the AC unit and the air handler, and the company's recommending a heat pump. Now, he's heard you talk about them, Tom, and he wants to know the pros and cons of whether or not he should get one.
Well, if we go back in the history of heat pumps, air-to-air heat pumps, quickly, when the light company, HL&P, was pushing the all-electric neighborhoods, and they wanted heat pumps. They didn't work well. And it was something that should never been pushed. But today, if you have an all-electric home, the heat pumps have been improved dramatically, where they can just handle a lot more colder weather and a drastic change of temperature. And I work with a lot of air conditioning people, and they'll tell me the same thing, that, Tom, don't be so down on heat pumps anymore, because they really have gotten better. And the cost has come down, and they're easier to work on. Everybody is comfortable working on them. But only if you had an all-electric home. If you have natural gas, I would rule it out. If you have all-electric home and you can avoid a percentage of the time without having to turn on the strip heat, which really sucks the electricity. It's like a hairdryer or a microwave.
I'm here to tell you.
So then you're going to be in a lot better shape, and your energy bill for these cold winters like we had this year,
you could have again.
And I'm sure we will.
And every landscaper is hoping we have them again.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Look up north. Anyway, I'm not against it at all. If you have an all-electric home, get a good one and make sure you hire someone who knows how to work on them. I'm sure the people that are recommending them do, and then you'll be in good shape.
The most important day of your system is the day it gets put in.
Right. If it gets put in wrong, you're in trouble.
Well, it's like my daddy taught me. Things that start bad seldom end better.
It's in building business. If you don't get the foundation in, the rest of the project just doesn't seem to come back.
Whereas we learn where I come from, forget about it.
Okay.
All right. You got questions? Happy to help you out. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see some of our videos over here. And please, would you help us and subscribe to our channel?